How to create link for photos in Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create link for photos in Google Drive. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to upload photos to your Drive. So for that, you have to open up Drive in your device and make sure that you are logged into your preferred account. After that, in order to upload photo, head towards the top left corner and click on New. Click on File Upload. Now you can choose image that you want to upload to your Drive. So select the photo that you want to upload and click on Open. Wait for a while until your photos get uploaded to your Drive. Now once your photos is uploaded, you can refresh your Drive and there you can see I have 2 photos uploaded. If you want to keep 2 of your photos in a different folder, you can do that. Or if you want to share the single image, you can also do that. So in order to share the link for your single image, you have to click on this 3 dot icon right here. After that, click on Share. Then you have to click on Copy Link. Now you have a link to this photo in your Drive, so you can share the link. But if you want to add, or if you have multiple photos, then you can add your photos into a folder. So create a new folder. Now you can add both of your photos into a single folder. Now once your photos has been moved to your folder, now you can share the link for this folder. Head over to this folder, click on this 3 dots, again click on Share, then click on Copy Link. Now again you can share the link that you have copied recently. To manage access, you have to click on Manage Access, and here you can manage your general access. Click on Restricted and choose anyone with the link. Now anyone whoever gets your link, they can have access to your photos. So in this way, you can create a link for the photos in your Drive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.